Hi, my name is Chef Sid Marshall, and this is how to make a great taco. Tacos are a great Mexican-American dish that can be served either in a soft corn tortilla or a crispy hard shell. First, we're going to make a fish taco. We're going to put in our grilled fish, some shredded cabbage, some crema, which is a Mexican sour cream, a little salsa verde, and then serve it with a lime wedge. Another great taco is carne asada, which is a grilled beef. We'll start by putting our carne asada into our hard taco shell. Then we'll top it with some shredded lettuce, tomato, some cheddar cheese, and black olive. And there you have it, how to make a great taco.